Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off push notifications in Pokémon TCG Pocket. The process is quite easy, so let's get started. First of all, open up your Pokémon TCG Pocket app on your mobile device, and once you're in the home page logged in, tap on the hamburger menu button at the bottom right corner. Now in the expanded menu, click on Other. Under Other, tap on Settings. Scroll down from the settings menu, and after you reach at the bottom, you will see this push notification button. You can go ahead and turn off the push notifications for any options you don't want to receive the notification for, such as if you don't want to receive notifications for important news, you can toggle off the button right next to important news, and so on. If you want to turn off your push notification from the app altogether, you can simply tap on the turn all on and off button over here at the top, and this will turn off any other notification option as well. You can also choose to manage which type of notification you want to keep, like pack stamina recovery, wonder stamina recovery, and so on. And after making the selection, you will avoid unnecessary distractions and only be alerted to what's important. Now you can enjoy Pokémon TCG Pocket without constant interruption. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Gamer for more Pokémon TCG Pocket tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.